Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start now with 2 prerequisite checks. Shoes off if needed and shoulders relaxed. You begin with chin tucks. Draw your chin straight back, not down, hold 5 seconds, do 10 slow reps. Once done, perform scapular squeezes to engage mid-back muscles, 3 sets of 10 with brief holds. At the same time, fix your workspace. Raise the monitor to eye level and sit with hips slightly higher than knees. These immediate steps correct the forward head and activate stabilizers so you can progress safely. Once the reset is consistent, you move into strengthening and mobility. Start neck flexor holds. Gentle resistance with your hand or band, hold for 10 seconds, repeat 3 times, building control. Then use a foam roller for thoracic extension for 2 minutes, keeping hips grounded so you extend the upper back, not the lower. Follow with targeted posterior chain work, seated rows and band pull-aparts, 3 sets of 12, to reinforce scapular control. These steps lengthen tight anterior tissues while strengthening the back, to complete the process, lock habits with a simple daily routine, 2 to 3 short sessions of chin tucks, thoracic work, and rows, increasing load each week. Make ergonomic tweaks permanent, monitor height, chair adjustments, and a supportive pillow that keeps a neutral cervical curve. If you notice increased pain, pare back intensity, avoid sharp or jerky motions, and apply ice or heat as needed. If symptoms persist or worsen, consult a clinician. One key troubleshooting tip: reduce load and focus solely on gentle mobility until pain subsides.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.